Hello, future engineers. There is a video in trigonometry, particularly on problems that are, for me, beautiful. And the original problem was really very, very challenging. And I just revised it so that my students can answer the problem. But still, I was disappointed because many did not able to answer it. So I present the solution and I present the original problem wherein this is the statement. The median to the side of length A of a triangle is 67 meters. It was fit in the quiz. And divide the opposite angle A into angles of 43 degrees and 55 degrees. So the question there was to find the perimeter given side C. But in this case, I will not give side C. This is the solution. That's why it's very challenging originally. So when you say median, that's a line segment drawn from one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So since the opposite side is A, that A will be bisected. So at point 5A, point 5A, and the angle where the median makes with the other sides, or the angle that the opposite angle, the angles that the opposite angle are divided into are 43 degrees and 55 degrees. So for the analysis, there are three unknowns here, B, C, and A, but we can formulate three equations from cosine law. So in triangle 1, opposite is 0.5a. So 0.5a square equals b square plus 67 square. This is the median. Minus 2b 67 cosine of 55. Call that equation 1. Then in triangle 2, 0.5a quantity square equals c square plus 67 square minus 2c 67 cosine of 43. Call that equation 2. And for the entire triangle, a square equals b square plus c square minus 2bc cosine of 98 degrees, where 98 is 43 degrees plus 55 degrees. Then from equation 1, we simplify it and we write it as b square. This 2b 67 cosine 55 in decimal is 76.859b. Then 67 square is 4489. Then transpose this to the right, so minus 0.25 a square. We then apply the quadratic formula, that is the variable is equal to the negative of the coefficient of the first degree term. So negative of negative 76 is positive 76.859. Then supposedly plus minus the square root of the discriminant. But I use plus here to anticipate that B should be positive because this may be negative, or this may be greater than 76.859. So there's a possibility that it will be negative. So I use plus square root of b square. So this is b square minus 4. A is 1, then c is the entire constant here. Then over 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. Simplifying the radical, we have 76.859 plus square root of a squared minus 12048.69, combining 76.859 square and minus 4 times 4489. So that's the result. Then all over 2. Likewise, from equation 2 here, c squared is 98.001c plus 4489 minus 0.25 a squared equals 0. So c is 9 by quadratic formula 98.001 plus square root of 98 negative 98.001 square minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 4489 minus 0.25 a square all over 2 times 1. So c is 98.001 plus square root of a square minus 8 351.73 over 2. So substitute into equation 3, a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cosine of 98. There is cosine 98 here. It is covered by this part, but I will just reveal it later. There is cosine of 98 here. So, because of this equation will not fit into your high-tech calculator. That's why I solved this by trial and error, and the value of A is 158.8 meters. The value of B is 92.294 if you solve B after this triangle here, because C was given as 110.85. That's why I gave the value of side C 110.85 so that you can analyze the problem easily. But still, majority of you, or almost all of you, did not able to solve this problem entirely. Most of you are just guessing. So that's the value of C. Then the perimeter is A plus B plus C. That's why it is 356.9 meters. Also, the area of the entire triangle is 1/2 product of adjacent sides, BC, sine of 98 degrees, and it is equal to area of triangle 1, which is 1/2 of product 1/2 B times 67 sine 55 plus 1/2 of area of triangle 2 1/2 67 times C sine of 43. If you simplify that, BC sine 98 after cancelling out 1/2 67B sine of 55 degrees plus 67C sine of 43 degrees. You substitute the expression for B here, which is this, and the expression for C, which is this here, into this equation. You will arrive at the same value of A 153.8 by trial and error, because this seems to be short, but it is still long if you substitute the value of B and C. But you can define, I think, B and C to shorten it in your calculator. I do not know how to use my calculator because I am accustomed to solving problems not by shift solve. So that's it for that problem. So for the next problem, other problems given in the quiz can be answered by techniques, substitution, and by not forcing the answer to be looking the same in one of the choices, but rather we just evaluate the segments of the triangles there. There are triangles, right triangles, or even not right triangle, apply sine law for calculations of the sides, cosine law if not sure for the angle. So this is the next three contiguous right triangles with concurrent vertices have equal angle A at the common vertex, which is here. If the longest side of one of them is 125, so of course this is the first right triangle, the longest side should be the hypotenuse. It's common sense. Of the next, and the hypotenuse of the next triangle is one leg of the first, because this is the first. This is the hypotenuse of the next triangle or the second triangle, and that's why in terms of 125 and A, this is 125 cosine of A. Then this is the hypotenuse of the next triangle. This is the hypotenuse of the last and third triangle, which is hypotenuse of the second, 125 cosine of A times another cosine of A. So that's 125 of quantity cosine A square. Then finally, this is the shortest leg of the contiguous triangles, it is this hypotenuse times sine of A. So 125 cosine square of A times sine of A. Since tangent of A is 3/4, that means cosine of A is 3/5. And cosine of A is 4/5 rather, and sine of A is 3/5. So 125 cosine of A square, 4/5 square, then sine of A 3/5. The answer is 48 units. So that's it for this video. I hope that you are shocked by the solution, especially this one. That's easy. The problems given was the problems given were very easy if you know the techniques. Always apply the technique.